Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 15th video in Python data science or data manipulating and our first video in Matplotlib. Today we are going to introduce Matplotlib and also we will make a simple example and I will show you how you can install a Matplotlib. First of all, what's Matplotlib? Basically, it is a plotting and data visualization library in Python language, which produces 2D graphics in different environments. In Matplotlib, we can draw different types of graphs like lines, scattered plot, bars, charts, histograms, and etc. Okay, now how you can install this Matplotlib. In Windows, you can simply write your command line and you can simply write pip install Matplotlib. You can just simply install like this. After that, I'm going to make a new Python file and I give it first plot. Now, when you install this file, this Matplotlib, you can simply import this. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. And also, I'm going to import NumPy. If you haven't watched NumPy videos, you can watch my NumPy videos. I will add the link. Now I'm going to define two array, NumPy array, np.array. For example, these are our points. I give it 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the y, np.array. I give it 20, 21, 20.5 and 20.8. Okay. Now in Matplotlib, the first thing you need, you should plot your data. For this, you can simply write plt.plot. After plotting your data, you need to show your data. For this, you can simply write plt.show. And what thing you want to show in the plot, you should give your x and y, points like this. After that, you show that. Now, if I run this, you can see that now I have the points, and in here you can see the graph, the plotting graph in here. Okay, thank you guys. This was our first video in Matplotlib and our 15th video in Python for data science. Please subscribe my channel and also please like the videos.